Hi, this is David Marsh with Emini tradingstrategies.com. Today is October 29th, 2010. We'll call this the weekly video update. This week we had 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. We had 6 trades each day. Had some losers, had to do some recovery, still made a profit. One day was about an hour long, one day was about an hour and a half. If you're watching my video series, you've probably already seen the video. The rest of the week, nice, smooth, one and done trading. For the most part. Let me go into that. Some students don't take certain trades. Well, why? Preference. Some students like taking pullback trades, while others like to take normal system entry. Some students only like to take early entry techniques. However, the way I teach it, I take the first available trade, try to make my profit, and walk away for the day if I do that. And that's exactly what happened here. We had 2 great pullback trades. Well, actually, this one was a good one too. But this was a trade a minute and a half after the opening bell. Easy fill. It went down below your price and shot right up, made a profit, and that was the end of it. Now, some traders didn't take this trade because they were waiting to see if we would come out of no zone and then take the first normal system entry out of no zone. Now, if we weren't in no zone here, I could appreciate that. However, definitely because we're in at no zone, I'd have taken that pullback trade with the market being as high as it was. In any event, if you waited to come out of no zone, this is where it gets questionable. We have Chicago PMI that officially comes out at 9:45, but that's not a federal report, and you can get that report about 4 to 5 minutes earlier than it gets officially released. Okay, I think it's around 9:40, 9:41 you can get it. So technically this is a high probability trade, normal system entry coming out of no zone. Okay, the question is, would you have taken the trade? This is about 6 or 7 minutes before the official release, but just 4 or 5 minutes before the unofficial release. So probably, I don't think anybody in the room actually took this trade today, but if you did not reverse here because of the report for sure. You would not take this trade. More than likely you didn't take this trade, and this is assuming if you didn't take the one and done right here anyways, and we're finished for the day, off to the weekend. But if you did take this trade, you had to stop yourself out, probably about a 6-tick stop loss. And after the report was released, you could take your short normal system entry, make your recovery, and we had another report coming out right around here, so you just wanted to recover off that and then jump out again because you don't want to be in a position before a report. So a couple minutes before that report, you'd have jumped out, but you would have recovered. Again, the premise here is pullback was definitely the trade to take. Then we had another long normal system entry, easy fill, and beautiful winner. So everybody got done typically within the first 5 minutes today. Some did take this trade, recovered, and made their money right here. So overall, it was a pretty good week. We only had 3 one and done days, but you know what? If you add it all up, we still worked under about 4 hours this week, if that. So pretty good week. So as a reminder, I don't know if I mentioned it, but next week I'll be out of town most of the week. I will have my laptop and my microphone. I'll try to do videos as often as I can and update the blog, but I do have a lot going on next week, so it may not be as frequent as it has been. I know a lot of you have made a lot of remarks about, thanks and keep the blog coming every day. I'm getting the feedback, I'm getting the responses, and I'm trying to do the blog every day, but I will be out of town next week, and so it's going to be a bit sporadic. So in any event, enjoy the weekend. Great week. If you have any questions about our futures trading course, feel free to get in touch, and we'll see you next week.